Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. So the question of the day is kind of like a really fun one. What do you apply first, concealer or foundation? Actually, it depends on my skin condition. Usually I apply the foundation and then the concealer. But if I'm gonna apply a color corrector, I always apply the foundation, color corrector, and concealer. Or if the color correction would be strong, like a kind of a orangey kind of a correction, apply the color correction, which is the concealer. Sometimes like foundation concealer, or sometimes concealer foundation, it depends. But basically, or like an everyday basic, or every like normally, I use foundation concealer. So yeah, this is that. So this is for this question. Let's go for the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.